gift certificate
Here we go.
redeemable at Siskiyou
Let's go.
Diesel
Let's go walk around. Check shit out.
Green one's coming in.
Yeah, we got a green one coming.
All right, you walk and I will follow you. How's
I'm gonna
that?
wait right here for a second for this car to go
First
by,
one
then we'll
goes
walk
to
over
Chuck.
there.
I'm gonna follow you guys because I already went around there.
Okay.
621-1017. Chuck?
Here he is.
I like that color.
Okay, we have one more $50 gift certificate also from
Very
Siskiyou
cool.
Diesel.
See, I'm not into the,
Mr. Bruce Gigg?
yeah, no. Or the hydraulic stuff. Not a bit. But I
No,
get
but these
people
log
do.
trucks are fucking cool.
People like stuff like that. That's their thing. That's fine.
Yeah, I want to put hydraulics on my
Do you really?
my
On your what?
on my Rebel,
Oh.
my 1969 Rebel.
Ha ha ha.
Maybe you'll see if you guys come over to Klamath this year.
Yeah, we're planning
Okay, we have a
to.
1-hour massage.
Oh yeah, because his grandpa's gonna have his car in the cruise.
Yeah.
Yep.
And hopefully maybe
That's
we'll
cool.
have one of Rob's trucks in it.
Yeah, maybe.
That would be nice.
No, it would be nice if Robert would get his scooter in there.
Yeah. That's actually mine, by the way.
Gotta get in this.
You know,
Look at these
honestly,
horns in here.
I love it. I'm thinking about contacting Danny Count and asking him if he'd be willing to tackle my project with the Cougar.
Oh really?
Yeah. What I'd really like to do is ask him. I know it would take a lot of work.
Cool.
Probably a lot of money, but I'd like to ask him if he'd be up for customizing it and making a suicide door. I can get in the driver's seat, hold up my chair, and pull
Cool.
into the back, and then I could be completely independent in a kick-ass car.
Well, how come you don't have an electric chair?
Well, I do, but
She's got a scooter.
As big as that.
they're just a pain.
This reminds me of Gary's, the one he's built. That one
Like
I
that?
showed you the picture.
Yeah.
This, I love this
What year did you say it was?
color.
It had those eyebrows on the
The 61s.
61. I couldn't remember what year it was.
Oh my god, I see a big old scratch.
Yeah, that's a pretty looking Ford there.
Now is this, that's not a scratch, that's
No,
on
that's
purpose.
protecting his paint from rock chips.
Oh.
He had a bra.
Oh,
no.
No, that's a sticker.
That's like a
It's
plastic
it's a-
thing, right?
Yep.
Okay.
It protects the paint.
That's really
So when that gets all dinged up, you peel it off and put a new one on.
That is so pretty.
This is badass. This is what Joe needs now.
Yeah. You should take a picture and send it to him.
I am right here, right now.
College.
Yeah, you can make a living with that.
Yep.
Yeah, Joe's certified now.
Who?
Joe,
Oh yeah.
he's certified.
He blew my mind, but I'm so proud of him.
Anything you want, dude.
And
Anything you want.
Maybe he'll help me cut that front end off that Firebird and put it on my Rebel so I can have disc brakes.
He could do it.
Very good.
totally.
I like that red one.
Yeah.
This is nice.
I was talking to the guy that owns this. He bought it for $4,000.
Too bad it wasn't an S.
It wasn't in this good a shape though. I don't think it had a
Hmm.
paint job when he bought it.
It's still a nice CUDA, but
Yeah, I still haven't had a chance to go out and look at those rims.
yeah.
But these look like new. These aren't old style.
Yeah, no,
These-
no, these are new. Old
That was
style,
cool.
but new stuff. Look at this, babe. Look at the gray.
Yeah, I
I
got
love
that.
those huge lights.
Yep. Those are truck lights.
Oh, that makes sense.
The trucks were bigger. They had the same shape, but they were bigger.
ah,
It's not an old bug.
yeah.
It's a nice one though.
Thank you very much, and thank
Grandpa
you to
used
the
to have one of
local
those.
UPS.
Crosley.
Go Big
Grandpa,
Brown.
that was at the
My
show in
dad
Klamath.
retired from UPS.
Oh, awesome.
Remember?
Yeah.
That was at the show in Klamath.
That was a neat show.
Oh, was it?
Yep, that we went
This
to.
little
I
dude
don't like that thing. It's so.
Is it time for some trophies?
Yep.
Oh, is that the
It's
one?
trophy time.
Look at this bed on this Nissan. See that it's got bags on it too.
Might
Yep.
as well start with the
Totally
first
been bagged.
class.
And that being, where's the about?
But this Lincoln's pretty bad. I like it.
Yeah, remember that that Rolls? This kind of reminds me of that Rolls.
Yeah, kinda, huh?
Yeah, I wonder
But
which
this
one.
is cooler because of the suicide doors. The handles have been shaved off.
I know, it's so nice.
It's
dude.
sick, dude.
Man, they had one of these sitting for a long
Check out
time
these
on
I have a set of these at home.
wheels.
Homedale.
Did you see the wheels on this?
Uh-huh. It's sick.
Nice.
That Lincoln is just sick.
Testing. Oh, we got power.
That's a nice paint job right there, boy.
Oh, God.
So the kids wanted me to.
Yeah. This is a nice paint job, though.
That is pretty. I love the Malibu.
Black is one of the hardest colors to
The
paint.
kids wanted me to mention that if you came out and
But
enjoyed
these
it
just got the cool
today,
factor.
decided not to register your car. They are taking donations for their program for a great cause. If you want to make any donations, I'll take
Excuse
it
me.
up here at the registration
Here,
table.
that is this.
That's a 70s.
Oh.
All right, so the first class we got on here today.
And how about if I know it's totally new?
2000.
Like brand new?
2000s. Here's a brand new one right here.
Ooh, that's pretty.
That's the one everybody's after now.
Is it?
Yeah.
How fast does this go off the
200 mile an
showroom
hour.
floor? Yikes.
I got no interest in the vets.
I know, but still, that's pretty. I'd
That's
drive
a
that.
nice one right here, though. You don't see these every day.
All right, class 2, 3,
Yeah, the one that was sitting there for flipping ever.
First Corvette I ever drove was identical to this one.
Cool.
16.
Is this yours?
No, I wish it was. Wish it was.
It is pretty.
I was 16, almost took out every car for a block.
427 big block 4-speed vet.
I wish we would have bought all these cool cars when we were young, huh?
3 twos.
Mm-hmm.
3 twos.
In my opinion, that's the coolest vet here.
Nice.
There's some more expensive around here.
You know, there's some that are more expensive, but that one's totally got the cool
Got the
factor.
cool all the way.
Yep.
Yeah. You have a great day.
Yeah, take her easy.
Thanks.
Oh, this must be Corvette Alley.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, totally, huh?
I do see what
And
looks
then
to
this is
be.
Mustang Alley.
I do see what believes to be a Shelby right there behind this one.
Oh, I see, I see.
This dark.
Yeah,
It's totally custom.
obviously.
I haven't seen one like that custom of a dart.
Eleanor you were talking about?
Yep.
Yeah. Pretty.
I wish they had the hood open on it though. I think it might just be stock under the hood.
Big block dirt. That's cool.
This is a sweet
Look
looking
at the
car.
license plate, it says different.
Yeah, it's different. That's cool though.
That's beautiful.
This is awesome.
I like the Challenger. Hell yeah. Man.
340 car.
Dang.
That's awesome.
I was
Ooh.
talking to the guy that
Ooh.
owned that black car right there.
Yeah, I gotta kind of take a peek at that.
The guy, he said he didn't make it to April cool nights because it wasn't ready. He just got it done. Put a new paint job on it. Rebuilt his engine.
It's a nice
Oh,
gasser.
and just bring it over to
For
Klamath.
sale. There you go, Tony.
It's a nice gasser.
Another project.
Shit.
No.
My money needs to go into my Firebird.
Yes, it does.
So it'll look like this one up here.
How close to getting that thing done are you?
About $10,000 close.
Oh, yeah. That's like us with the Cougar.
This is awesome.
That is.
This is freaking awesome.
Yeah, us too. You know what? The last time we drove the Cougar was to my dad's 50th birthday. He just turned 62.
I
He literally
like this.
pulled into the driveway and the tranny died.
Oh, you should see that fucking orange.
No.
Mickey's and all.
Eliminator.
Yeah, Cougar Eliminator. That would look like it was a 70.
I don't know what year it was.
Looked like
I
a
don't-
70
like this
Eliminator.
one here? Oh, that's a Mustang.
Yep,
Isn't that cool?
it's the real one.
And this Model T over here. Oh, exactly.
That is really cool. Oh God, look at the cat skeleton. I know. Huh?
Gone in 60 seconds. Could be, huh? Look at that. You see what I see?
What? Is this the one from the show?
Yeah, and I was making fun of it. Gone in 60 seconds because the keys are in it.
Really?
Yep.
That's the one from the show. That's cool.
This is,
55 to
oh,
59
it was
bucks.
hanging there. See, it fell down.
Oh, yeah. Awesome for you, Tony. That was
This had-
cool.
That's his tag where he bought it from.
Oh, from Meekum Auctions, yeah.
neat.
Cool.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah.
I just had to say something about the keys, though, since it's the Gone in 60 Seconds
Yeah.
car.
Here, one. You got kiddos behind you. Hi, guys. Awesome stuff, huh?
I just had to say that, you know. Because this is going on YouTube.
I like this Chevy too here.
LS9? What the hell is an LS9?
That's the new Corvette package that you can get in the Camaro, dude.
Look at all the sparkles in the paint job. That's pretty.
I know, my camera.
Here's some fabrication work.
This guy's from Medford.
The one at the green?
Yeah, he works at the Ford dealership.
Oh, really? Now that you say that, I think I see
Say
his truck
lamb.
parked in the back.
Huh.
Ooh, now
That's
that's,
cool, though.
pretty.
Yeah, that 55.
That my dad would love. What about the red one? What year is that?
That's a 64.
See, my dad wants a what? A 53 or a 56?
Actually, this one's a 56, not a 55, but
Okay,
they look the
56
same.
is his favorite year, but also
They look the same.
53.
So the guy that owns that,
You'll never get a 63 split window. This is a 67.
the guy that owns the Mustang owns all 4 of these.
Yeah.
Really?
He's rich.
Wow.
There's another 427 Vet, though, right here.
Beautiful. But I would take this one, I think.
Yeah, it's pretty
Over this
stock,
one.
man. This thing's worth like.
Wonder why somebody
money,
ground on the alternator.
Hmm.
I don't understand.
Wow.
Well, it's pretty proper. I mean,
Maybe they did that. Maybe there was something mount. Maybe there was a mount there.
gotta check out the
I
Model
wanna
T.
see what y'all are talking about.
Right here.
Oh, okay.
There was something right here.
Oh, gotcha.
Plus 20, plus 90.
I can't right now.
Right, Simon? 94.
Isn't there some pretty color combo?
Yes. You know what? This is sort of the colors that Rob's thinking about painting our 65 Ford truck, but just opposite. Soft like bluish on the bottom and then white on the top. Is this considered a rat rod?
Yes, this is a rat rod.
Yeah. I like it though.
Full of bullet holes. They've been
It's definitely
semi-filled.
some,
It's
oh, I
cool.
didn't see this
Some
side.
rust.
It's cool, though.
Oh shit.
That is cool, dude.
Oh damn.
It's
So
cool.
you got the old barn
Look at
wood
the
for the
Beamer.
top.
Yep.
Pretty.
You put luggage and stuff
And
up
got
there.
the rat on top, too.
That's so cool, man.
It's cool.
I'd drive
These
that.
aren't that hard to build, you know. You can build these pretty cheap. You just gotta find a body like this and slap it on any old frame you can and buy some suspension and a rear end and an engine.
I like the keep it stock, you know, the tallness.
I like them tall, too. They look cool.
Like they added to it or chopped it?
They chopped it. They chopped it. It used to be like this tall.
Yeah.
And this is where they sectioned it back
Okay,
together.
so they cut a big chunk out and,
And
then,
sectioned it back.
gotcha. Neat.
Oh, this is a Firebird. I gotta get this.
That's a nice bird.
Yeah, that is.
I thought it was a Camaro. It's so this Camaro is so popular, you know.
Mm-hmm. And a lot of them look similar, but there's that like 1 year of Firebirds that I get confused on and think that they're a Mustang, but they're not. Black Bar Lodge. Ooh, baby, did you see that purple Mustang right there?
Gonna go look at that next.
The hood is all shaved off. I mean, glued together.
Yep.
Damn, that
It's all-
thing looks like it.
It's all one
is
piece, buddy.
fast.
Comes
Must
off
be.
in one piece.
Well, look, 1037. What's that
Yeah.
in the?
That's hauling
Corvette?
ass is what that is.
Yeah. Check out
Oh,
this.
They got the racing lawnmowers over there.
Racing lawnmowers?
Yeah.
This is nice. What do we got in here?
That is cool. Oh, I love the short.
Oh, we have a 390, I see. Nice,
Look at the tires
nice.
on this thing.
What is that, a 72
It's pretty.
half tonner?
You guys made it? Have you met Robert?
Yeah, she met me, but it's been like 20 years. Model A pickup. Model A, it's about a 28, 31.
Model A?
It's a Model A pickup.
That's neat. I like the shows we went to with your grandpa last year where the people have the doors open so you can see.
Usually that's what you do at the shows. You open up your doors.
Because of course you don't want to touch
You at
anybody's
least leave the
thing.
windows down so people can look in.
Oh, look at the roof. How it's got the
Yeah.
wooden slab.
That's how they were built. This is why they were called Tin Lizzies, because it was just tin over a wood frame.
Oh.
That's why they're called Tin Lizzies.
That is
But these
so
aren't
cool.
considered Tin Lizzies, but they're put together the same way.
Aha. Is this your amazing Ford truck here? Aha. Very pretty.
Set of heads,
You're welcome.
Thank you.
tiny little rear end. Coolness.
Yeah.
I like the stoplight.
29.
Yeah. That is neat. That would be cool to have like on the back of
Might
your
as well
truck
get
of
this
a
Model A
Ford.
too.
Yeah.
It's a nice one. I like the trunk.
Yep. Yep. Oh, that's funny. Look at all those racing mowers. Oh my goodness. That would be fun.
How about the
huh?
Viking ship being towed by a freaking hearse?
Look at the roof. How it's
Yep.
like material.
That's the proper material that it's
Is
supposed
it?
to have. Same material that's on top of the T.
Oh yeah, yeah. Okay.
The windows are down. Pull down curtain in the back. Got the proper flower vase in
Yeah.
the back.
Now look. Could you?
Got the proper everything. This is
Could
very
you
nice.
Customize this though. Look, to kind of cut this here and have a door open, or
Well,
no?
You could just get the one that has 4 doors.
No, I know that, but I mean,
But you could.
look at that Chevelle. Take a picture of that for
My-
my mom.